Hello everyone. This is an easy to knit, unusual, two-sided pattern that consists of just one row and 3 stitches. The number of loops in the sample is a multiple of 3. After the edge loop, we will work with loops in groups of 3. Knit the next 3 loops through the front in the following order: the first, the third, the second. Again. Knit the next 3 loops. The first, the third, the second. Keep knitting after this scheme on both sides of the knitting. This stitch is perfect for making hats, capes, cardigans, and scarves due to its double-sided nature. Thicker yarn and hooks will make it appear good for summer uses. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications never to miss a video. I hope that you found inspiration for your next knitting project. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon.